Car Cleanse UK network, operating in and around the Surrey, Guildford area. Today, something a bit different. We have a sofa to clean, and one of the advantages of booking ProSteam is the fact that we get to use our product MicroCleanse, which is here, and we're going to not just deep clean this sofa, we're going to sanitize it as well. We're going to kill any bacteria, anything that might be lurking within the fabric, and we're going to remove all those stains. Okay, and we're going to make this sofa look like new again. Right, it's the footstool. Remember, all we're using on this as a pre-spray is our product, and I'm rinsing with nothing but just hot water, okay? No detergents at all. That's the colour it should look. Right. 2.5 hours later, here we are. This is the frame, cleaned, sanitised, and making good use of the fact we've got nice weather today. So, we'll put the footstool in the garden, and it's drying out nicely. There you go. So, free of dirt, free of any other contamination from the previous owner. Now, if you're buying quality used furniture and you're worried that yourself or your kids might be coming into contact with the previous owner's stuff, let's call it, then you need to give ProSteamUK a call today on 01252 319 391, or visit our website www.prosteamuk.com. and we offer free estimates, and the service is unlike any other carpet or upholstery cleaning service. Thanks for watching.